Welcome back, my friends. Today I'll be doing some gel extension on my nails. So I'll be using Emi Gels. This is a new company from India. Emi Gels Pink Builder Gel. See the color? It's a beautiful pink color. I'll be using this. Nail tips that I'm using are coffin nail tips. Let's get started. First things first, I will push my cuticles with this cuticle pusher. मैं cuticle को push file, and with the softer side is the 180 grit and the rougher side is the 100 grit. Now I like long nails. If you want a shorter nails, then you can cut the nail according to your size and shape it before you blend this area, because once you blend this area, this section will become weak and your nail may मोर एडिशन। फुल नेल में अगर आप लगाएंगे तो ज़्यादा एडिशन मिलेगा, मीन्स द nail will stay for a longer period of time. And now I am going to cure it for 30 seconds in the LED lamp. Now I am taking a very little amount. See, such a little amount I am taking, and I will brush it on the full nail. This is called the slip layer. We apply this to maneuverate the gel which we are going to apply now. Now I'll be placing it over here. Make sure you keep your nail in this position. Now it's ready to be filed, but before that I will complete all the other nails. Taking this file, I'll take the 100 grit side and start filing. First you start filing the side walls. Now here I didn't show the nail which I did with paper foam. That video is also coming. It will be shown in the next video. So my dear friends, wait for a few days and you will get to see the video.
Just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush, it's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush. Just let go, don't need to figure it out.
In the same way, I will file all the other nails. So I have filed and buffed all the nails off camera. So now it's time for me to apply the top coat. I am using Emi Gel's glossy top coat. So my nails are cured. So once it comes out from the lamp, wait for 10 seconds. Give a timer and wait for 10 seconds. Let it cool down. Then you apply the cuticle oil. So this is the end result. Hope you liked the tutorial. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Now you can see better, I think so. Yeah. So how you liked it? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye.